So these are few tips nobody shared. Yeah, you heard that right. No one have ever shared this particular tip that any solopreneur should follow in terms of creating a creativity videos for their social profile. So the first, if you are an Android user, you can use Google Map. If you are an Apple user, you can use iOS, right? Once you open these particular apps and tap on the My Location icon, you will get to know where you are located at. Then copy the location name and simply open the application name called as Instagram. Once you open the Instagram account, go to the search icon. Once you go to the search icon, place the location name on the search icon. Then you will get a bar where there will be mentioned you want to get the user profile, you want to get the audio profile, you want to get the reel profile, or you want to get the location. So what you can choose, either you can use their brand page, like if you are visiting to any such location, if they have any personal profile and uploaded several reels, you can definitely ask them for a collaboration and all. Otherwise, if you want to create some videos and to get ideas how to create that particular videos, you can go to the location option and check out the videos like any other famous or normal creators have created. So scroll it and find any such creative videos and get ideas from that and create your particular videos and add your voice over to it or add your ideas to it, and you are good to go. How to create a video for yourself without wasting any time to ask someone ki, hey man, can you share me some tips like how to create a video in any strange location, or how you have created your videos, can you share a point of view which is the best location to create a cinematic footage. So you don't have to ask anyone else, right? So these tips can help you out as a solopreneur. And yeah, if you love this particular video and want to share to someone who just want to start their own solopreneur journey as a content creator or someone such like this, then this video is only for you. You have to note it down. If you are missing something, watch this video again and again, and if you like it, just click on the thumbs up and support us with a comment, and don't forget to share this video to the one who exactly want, right? Yeah, if you are new to this particular channel and you haven't subscribed, man, just click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon to never miss such crazy update as a solopreneur. Meet you in the next upcoming videos. For that, bye bye.